Alright, we're heading down to the waterfall. I'm in the back. We're going down to the waterfall. Yeah. I'm going to videotape it. This is a waterfall down in Alabama. What's the name of this waterfall?
I don't know, but you must have people to go see. We need to go and name it. Deep Mountain Waterfall.
I can hear it. So we're almost there. There it is. Waterfall. We're at the Warren family reunion. Oh, wow. Here, let me get closer. Oh man, I thought it was a big waterfall. Huh? I'm videotaping. Oh, let me go to the other side. That's my brother, the white. Let me go down here right. I'll land and get closer. Okay. That's some dirty water. What's that? Well, let me go down. Let me get a little closer. I'm videotaping it.
Isn't it pretty?
Oh yeah. So this is everyone.
I wonder what a water means. What does the water mean? Maybe to another side of the beach.
So tell the camera, did you lose the camera?
It looks like he just leaves you over here.
Any more pictures, please? All right, now you're going to kind of wow. When that stuff gets wet.
What button you push for the camera? Hold on.
Hold on,
I get it. It's going to be on Facebook.
No.
Wait, who's taking the picture first?
Yeah, I got the video. I'll put the video on there.
Hold on, let me get this camera. Y'all don't think it yet.
Didi, you weren't looking.
Now it's hot out here.
Didi.
All right, what's down this way?
Look at all those fish.
Right.
They got on slides.
All right, I got about 5 minutes going now on our journey down. All right, that's enough. Got one more look at the Alabama waterfall. You see a fish? Well, I don't see nothing. See where? I don't see nothing.
He just swam in front of that rock over there. There's another.
Oh, there you go. That's the see the fish? See the piranhas?